energizes me better than a cup of Starbucks coffee. And what's even better is that I can get all these drinks, tall and short, on the 9th of November for only 150 rupees. Now you tell me, isn't that a steal deal? So don't forget to visit your nearest Starbucks store on the 9th of November, and what's more, you also get a 20% discount on any beverage of your choice from the 10th to the 16th of November. For the best food and travel recommendations, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales. This is Natasha Montero signing off.